Excellency, we would like to inform you that GON has made security arrangement and liaison for your Excellency's smooth movement and observation of the polling activities. Most of the queries basically were on the logistics side, so the more information will be provided by our liaison officers subsequently. Similarly, we have received valuable support, gesture and goodwill from neighbors and friendly countries for successfully and timely conduction of this House of Representative election. For that, from the Election Commission side, we would like to thank you all for this excellent support for conducting this election. Basically, the Excellency from EU Ambassador had queries about the logistic briefing. Similarly, the US Embassy colleagues has also raised the issue of card. Similarly, this excellent ambassador from Switzerland also raised the issue of counting process and dates for the results, and British Excellency Ambassador also raised the issue of the observe the counting process, and similarly, Gitanjali ji from the Indian Embassy, Kathmandu, about the LOs, logistics and more information, and also the international journalists, how to get the permission. And similarly, UNDP resident representative Kyogo-san has also raised the issue of the passes. So, and Japan Embassy colleague also raised the issue of the observer, to what extent they can visit in the polling center. So these are very useful discussions. So we will basically provide in the detail from our liaison officers, and we will in written we will provide you for the detailed information regarding the international journalist. The Department of Information and Broadcasting under the Ministry of Communication and IT will provide the passes for the international journalists during the election coverage. Similarly, the counting process will start immediately after the collection of the ballot paper from the each polling centers, and the days maybe 3 days or maybe 1 to 3 days. Basically, we are expecting, but in the remote areas, maybe it may take long time as well.